daddy of B-Town, Abhishek Bachchan, and Ritesh Deshmukh, who's known for his spontaneous comic sense, will ignite the stage of Zee Cine Awards 2013 ceremony as the hosts this year. According to a popular daily, Abhishek quoted, "The audiences have appreciated their pair together in films and he hopes that they like the pairing at the Zee Cine Awards." After hosting a series of awards in the past, Ritesh is trying hard to make it an entertaining affair. The event is to be held at the Yashraj Studios in Mumbai this Sunday. The awards ceremony is expected to be attended by Shah Rukh Khan, Anushka Sharma, Katrina Kaif and Deepika Padukone. So get set go for the bluff master magic once again. What do you think about this comeback? Do let us know by posting your comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to Bollywood Now. This is a report by Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.